The numbers have changed from 675 to 765. Welcome to Shifting Gears, people, and this is one of our favorite naked sports bikes, the Triumph Street Triple RS. The Street Triple RS asks for Rs 11.13 lakh ex-showroom. That's 2 lakh more expensive than the baseline S variant. But still, it does feel worth every penny you spend on it. Let's first get the competition talk out of the way. The Street Triple RS rivals the likes of the Kawasaki Z900, Yamaha MT-09 and the Ducati Monster 821. And all of them are cheaper. That's a tough case for the Triumph Street Triple RS to justify, you might think. But the big difference is that the Street Triple RS weighs just 166 kg, which is insanely light for a motorcycle in this class. And it is the lightest of them all, and hence the best power to weight ratio amongst competition. So that's that. Choose for yourself, but we would surely pick this, the Triumph Street Triple RS. Now let's get to the changes, and the big one first, the new engine. The new Street Triple RS comes with a 765cc engine, which is developed based on the race spec all-new Daytona, which is yet to make a debut. This engine has seen over 80 part changes, including a new crank, pistons, nacelle plating, increased bore and stroke, and the like. With this is also the most powerful Street Triple ever produced, which delivers 123 PS of power at 11,700 RPM and 77 Nm of torque at 10,800 RPM. This is 10 PS and 4 Nm more than the baseline S variant. Triumph claims that they have worked on the low and mid-range of this motorcycle and is tuned very differently compared to the S and R siblings. Other equipment includes ride-by-wire for better throttle response, 5 riding modes including road, rain, sport, custom for the rider and track, and even configurable traction control based on the riding mode, which can be completely turned off as well. The RS also benefits from a quick shifter which allows you for clutchless upshifts even with the throttle wide open. Obviously, it comes matched to a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper assist clutch. So, this new 765cc liquid-cooled 12-valve EOHC inline 3-cylinder motor is more refined than the older models, and noticeably, the engine feels at home with this tuning out on our streets. The throttle on-off transitions are very smooth, and the Street Triple RS is just so easy to use. We were at home on the motorcycle, within minutes we jumped on it. A light clutch, nice and smooth 3-in-1 exhaust, and a slick gearbox keeps the bike and the rider very happy. We could ride the motorcycle at speeds as low as 40 km per hour even in the 6th gear, and there was no hesitation from the motor when we racked the throttle to reach a top speed close to 200 km per hour during our ride, and that's quite versatile. Also, the torque availability is fantastic throughout the rev range, so you need no downshifts frequently to overtake. Unless of course you want to sprint real fast and also make some pleasing noise from that sweet sounding 3-cylinder motor and 3-in-1 exhaust. Now the new Street Triple RS is marginally lighter than before, and it is just the lightweight of the motorcycle which makes it worth every penny. Heavy motorcycles do feel intimidating, and the Street Triple RS wins hearts in this department. Picking it around in traffic or out on the twisty road, it is just so much fun. The bike responds to your inputs very quickly, but one drawback is that the seat height of 825mm is not the most welcoming for shorter riders. Now coming to the ride quality, the suspension setup on the Street Triple RS includes top parts such as a 41mm Showa USB fork with adjustable compression and rebound damping along with preload adjustment. At the back, you have Öhlins STX40, which is also fully adjustable. The bike manages to handle the Indian terrain nicely, but when you set it on the softer side of settings. Otherwise, you might feel that the ride is a little hard. Also, the ground clearance is not that great, so you have to be careful not to scrape the underbelly or the exhaust chambers while encountering a speed bump or the XL size Indian favorite potholes. The riding triangle of the motorcycle is great, sporty and engaging, along with being easy enough to suit long distance riding. The wind blast though on such a high speed capable motorcycle might get you tired, but that's what you get when you're buying a naked sports bike. Triumph is offering this bike with a pillion seat and a seat cowl as well, for times when you don't want to be very pillion friendly. The Street Triple RS also has range-topping Brembo M50 4-piston radial monoblock calipers at the front, which offer fantastic braking bite and feel through the adjustable lever, and a Brembo brake setup at the rear as well. The Street Triple RS also has range-topping Brembo M50 4-piston radial monoblock calipers at the front, which offer fantastic bite and feel through the adjustable lever, and a riding just feels so sorted. Tire grip levels are the best and nothing more you can get. Styling hasn't really made a whole world difference on the new Street Triple range. The bike is revolutionary in design changes compared to the older version. The Street Triple RS gets reprofiled fuel tank, tank shroud, mudguard, radiator and also benefits from an integrated air intake. The dual headlamp design has also been reworked and you now get integrated LED DRLs as well. There is a small fly screen which looks good but is too small to make a noteworthy difference when riding upright on the motorcycle. The seat is nice and accommodating and you have a lower seat option to make things a little more accessible. There is a total of 60 accessories one can buy for the new Street Triple, including a loud aftermarket Arrow exhaust. All parts and plastics feel top-notch and you will not regret about the money you spent on this motorcycle. And yes, the bar and mirrors which are stocked on the RS, they just add so much more to the visual appeal of the motorcycle, and also they are quite functional in showing what's left behind. The bigger highlight where you will be looking at most is the full digital instrument console. This color TFT display is leaps and bounds better in displaying information than the old setup. Also with auto contrast settings and switchable layout for the prime display, the Prime Street Triple RS tries and pleases all sorts of motorcyclists. It shows you all the data you need in one go, and the screen also gets a home screen to change settings when you are idling in meetings and a 5-way joystick which allows you to toggle through the menu and trip options. This does result in an elevated experience compared to rivals. So overall, you might have guessed that we absolutely love this Prime Street Triple RS. Of course, it's expensive, but if you ride all the motorcycles in this class and jump on this at the end, we're sure you're not going to have wishful thinking about the others. Money surely can buy you happiness, and this is one motorcycle you can ride on the streets, say daily to work, and even hit the track and smile wide every time you kiss the apex. Stay tuned to Shifting Gears, hit that subscribe button and also do click on the bell icon so you are notified every time we publish a new automotive video. Till next time, ride hard, ride safe and always wear a helmet.